Why the GME students are failing in the interview? We will find out why. Is electrical portion reason behind failing in the interview? So guys, I have prepared some questions for you to prepare in the GME interview from the electrical portion. So guys, this is video especially for the GME aspirant and maybe it can be helpful for the ATO student too. So in this video, I will tell you about the electrical portion, which are the questions that are frequently asked. We cannot assume that this will be the question definitely asked in the interview. I can give you the guidance and the idea behind the reasons. So let us go through the portion. First, I want to talk about the failures which are happening these days. So I have found out that the main reason behind the failure is causing us a electrical portion. So guys, maybe we are not aware of the electrical portion. Maybe what is going to be the ask, because the electrical portion is the wide. We are the mechanical engineers. We know about our field. We are in our safe zone, that is mechanical. We can tell us things about mechanical, but they are looking for the electrical basic knowledge too. So without wasting the time and talking something else there and where, so let us come to the main topic, the reason of the video. So guys, main topic is I have prepared something up for you, या फिर मैंने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से जो कि इलेक्ट्रिकल पोर्शन इंटरव्यू में आस्क हुआ, या फिर माय फ्रेंड्स एंड contacting the GME aspirants which are in contact with me. So I have found the 7 to 8 topics to be prepared from the electrical portion. So we will find out it what are the topics of electrical portion. So before starting the electrical portion, I will tell you, please subscribe the channel guys. I am making so much efforts. If you can spare your 1 minute, so it will be very helpful to you. So let us talk about the electrical portion now. So guys, I will tell you that prepare the synchronous and asynchronous motor, both types well. Their further classification are also there: induction motor, three-phase motor, single-phase motor. So you can study all the motors which will be covered in synchronous and asynchronous. Next thing to study is generator. Generator is asked in the interview again and again. Working of the generator and the what is generator. We all know it is a device to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, but they are asking about the working of generator. Then the third thing that they are asking is alternator, guys. The generator and alternator are very similar, but you have to give them a difference. If they ask what is the difference between generator and alternator, so Google it. Google Baba samjhate guys. So you all know. So this is the important question. Fourth question is difference between generator and alternator. You can study the working of alternator too, guys. The next thing will be covered is formula of synchronous speed. Guys, the formula of synchronous speed is asked in the interview and it is the very basic question, guys. If you are not able to answer this question, I don't think so you will be selected. The next thing, you can study the basics Lange law. I have mentioned this in the previous video. You can go through the Faraday law. Then of course you can go through the EMF. What is EMF? So these were the some questions that I have prepared for you, which are the almost frequently asked questions from the electrical portion, and these are questions very important from the point of view of the mechanical engineer, because you will be not asked something very hard in electrical portion. One question that is coming to my mind is right now, that one question was asked is how does the mobile charger work? So guys, go through this question too. So I will tell you, these are the only guidance and maybe the permutation combination applied question. Like these are the frequently asked questions. So you can prepare it if you like to, and please subscribe the channel guys. So I will end up the video. In next video we will talk about the communication skills which are very necessary in the interview. So thank you guys.